I wanted to send a personal message to our entire maintenance team as a thank you for the hard work and dedication that makes SkyWest Airlines so successful. Regardless of the challenges we face as a regional airline with a very complex operation, this team continues to produce the most reliable aircraft and best performance in the aviation industry. Thank you for your dedication to airworthiness and safety.
Happy AMT Day!
From SkyWest In-Flight Uniform.
Happy AMT Day!
From the In-Flight Training Department.
Thanks for supporting us and always being there.
On behalf of Flight Operation and all of our pilots down here in Colorado Springs, thanks to all of our AMT mechanics for keeping us safe in the skies.
Thanks to our mechanics and parts crew. We appreciate you guys more than you know. From all of us at DFW,
we appreciate your hard work and dedication.
And we'd like to say thank you.
Happy
AMT Day!
From the In-Flight Support Center.
From the In-Flight Standards team.
And the In-Flight Service team.
Thank you for keeping us safe in the sky.
Happy AMT Day!
Thank you so much for all that you do every single day, day in and day out, keeping our operation running smoothly. You are greatly appreciated. You are the heartbeat of SkyWest.
Thank you to our Minneapolis maintenance team. They never hesitate to jump in whenever I need them for anything.
So In-Flight loves maintenance too. We bring donuts.
To all our valuable maintenance members from SkyWest Airlines.
Happy AMT Day!
I would like to thank maintenance for your contribution to ensuring that our crew members and passengers have safe flights throughout our system daily.
We couldn't do what we do without you!
Happy AMT Day. First of all, I want to thank the group for everything that you do. We have over 2,000 flights a day, and we have over 500 airplanes. And we maintain those safely and keep them operationally reliable every day, so thank you. I also just love the integrity and the loyalty of this group. As I've been able to work with this group closely, I really appreciate everything that you guys do. Once again, have a great day and thank you.